Hi, uh, today we're going to talk about like a Microsoft Identity and Access Administrator. This is called like a SC-300, SC-300. Okay, so what is the 300? Everything in this video, I'll go through that, but not that this all the labs only be I'm doing for that. So if you have any questions regarding the lab under lab, you can write the chat. Okay, if you need any help from that, you can send us the email. So then I can go through that. I will explain to you all. Okay, so in this SC-300, okay, so I will explain while they're doing the labs, and I'll give like a little explain theoreticals as well. Okay, so same time I'm telling that. So if you have any question regarding that lab or any theoretical, you can raise the chat. Okay, then I can explain to you. Okay, what is the like a 300? It's called like a Microsoft Identity Access Administrator. It's officially Microsoft who has like a instructor lead the focus on identity and access management, like a IAM within the Microsoft ecosystems. So in this course design, so like in this course designs like of 32 hours. Okay, that means 4 days we can cover from this one. So we will target like for this SC-300 target audience would be like identity administrator, security engineer, and system administrator working with Microsoft Azure's AD and IAM specialist. Okay, before that I'll give the small introductions myself, who I am and what is my qualifications. And okay, so I'm a Monif, I'm a cybersecurity specialist and an IT consultant, and I'm an ethical hacker and AWS, Azure, and G Suite expert. Okay, so if you want to know more detail about that myself, you can visit my website mhmonif.com. You can see all the questions and all the my information regarding that. If your company has needed any IT related support or anything from cybersecurity, anything from, you can please contact me directly, so then I can support from that immediately. Okay, so I will give some summarize from that. Okay, this if you learn something, okay, if you want to do SC-300, you can visit theoretical. If you want to know about the theoretical, you can visit the learn.microsoft. The URL I will put in my descriptions as well. You can visit that. So this course syllabus has been open like five. So one is like explore identity for Microsoft Entra ID. Another one is SCC-300 implement identity management solutions. Another one is implement authentication and access management solutions, implement access management for the apps. Another one is a plain implement identity governance strategies. Okay, so you can do your own lab, you can build your own lab. If you have any Microsoft, sorry, Azure account from your company, or you have that on, you can do that. I will share my GitHub lab and the link as well. You can visit and you can do the from that labs. Okay, so what is the exactly before do the exams? Our suggestions, my suggestion is from that you can do more mock exams and practical, and after the if you confident that you can do that. Not that this course will be conduct like the exam will be conduct the patients. Okay, the my patients through the only you can do that exams. Okay, so what is that you can do? I will share all the link the my chat or descriptions. You can visit that, you can take the practical assessment and launch sandboxes. So you have that, you can do from the like the some sandbox as well. Okay, so that is would be great thing if you have like a sandbox. Okay, you can get it that. So if you want to know the studies guide, also you can visit Microsoft credential certification resource study guide is like SS300. That also I will sharing with the my descriptions. Okay, so what is the is like its last update like July 25 2025. Okay, guidelines, the pass mask and everything they has put clearly. So please before attend the exams, you can go through that.